Come on, let us start daily yoga abhyas of the day. Starting with by chanting Omkar once. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्माम् अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Sit on comfortable pose, whether it is Sukhasana, Siddhasana or Padmasana, whichever is convenient to you. Apply the same. Be in Dhyan Mudra. Keep spinal straight, neck straight. Let us start with pranayama, breathing exercises to keep our entire body 100% healthy. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Come on, let us sit in comfortable pose, whether it is Vajrasana, Sukhasana or Padmasana. Then hold the thumbs with remaining 4 fingers. Press the navel and bow down as much as you can. This is Mandukasana. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Relax. Now keep left palm on navel. Then right palm. Bow down. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Good. Now alternate the hand. Keep right, then left. Repeat the same. Go down and look forward and do 10 times Kapalabhati. Very good. Relax. Let us do Sashakasana. Be in the same pose. Then take both the hands up while inhaling. While exhaling, bow down. Stretch both the hands forward and touch the head to the ground. And do 30 times Kapalabhati. While inhaling, come to normal pose. Very good, very good. Sashakasana is over. Now third sitting asana we do. Now third pose, third asana. Go Mukhasana we do. Sit on your left leg. Fold your left leg first, then right leg. And ensure that your right knee is placed on the above of left knee. Since your right leg is on top, lift the right hand up. Put it on back. Bring left hand adjacent to back. Try to hold the fingers of each other. Slightly lift the neck upwards. Very good. Do 15 times Kapalabhati. Alternate the leg now. Now fold your right leg first, then left leg. Ensure to keep your left knee on the top of right knee. Very good, very good. Lift the left hand, put it on back. Bring right hand adjacent to back. Hold the fingers of each other. Slightly lift the neck upwards. And do 15 times Kapalabhati. This is Gomukhasana. Very good. Medicine for hydrocele as well as that infertility problems in ladies. For both gents as well as ladies, very good exercise. Now fourth one, Vakrasana we do. Stretch both the legs forward and fold your right leg. Bring left hand adjacent to the right knee and try to hold the left ankle, knee. Left knee with left hand. Turn back. Try to keep the shoulders parallel. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. We are applying asana and doing breathing exercise as well as keeping concentration on respiratory system. So all in one. Opposite side. Now fold your left leg. Bring right hand adjacent to the left knee and hold the right knee. Turn back. Very good, very good. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. So nice. Relax. Lay down on stomach. First we do Makarasana. Hold the chin with both the palm. Fold your right leg while inhaling. And while exhaling, put it down. Similarly with left leg. Put it down. With right. Put it down. With left. Put it down. Again with right. Put it down. Again with left. Put it down. Repeat. Put it down. Repeat. Put it down. Now with right and with left. Once more. Good. Now with both the legs together, fold. అండ్ ఆపండి అలాగా ఉంచండి ఒకసారి, లేకపోతే ఒకళ్ళు ఒక 1 2 3 ఒకళ్ళ తర్వాత ఒకళ్ళు అవుతుంది అది. ఓకే, ఫోల్డ్, రిలాక్స్. అగైన్ వైల్ ఇన్హేలింగ్, ఫోల్డ్ బోత్ ది లెగ్స్ టుగెదర్, put them down, fold again while inhaling, put them down while exhaling. Repeat. 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 Repeat once more. Good. Keep both the hands adjacent to the chest. కొంచెం కిందకి దించండి చేతులు. అప్పుడే అర్ధభుజంగాసన్ ఫైన్, perfectly you can perform. Lift the neck up to stomach, up to stomach level. See the sky. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Good. Now keep a distance between both the foot, at least 1 feet. Ardha Bhujangasana After we do Tiryak Bhujangasana. Again, while inhaling, lift the body up to stomach, turn right side and try to look your left ankle through right shoulder. Very good. Come to normal pose. Now do the same opposite side. Lift up to stomach, turn left side and through your left shoulder see the right ankle. Very good, very good. Come to normal pose. Join both the legs. Keep left palm below the chin and right hand also on the left hand. And pull the body fully up. Purna Bhujangasana we do. Very good, very good. While inhaling, lift the body fully up and bend the neck, see the sky. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Very good, very good. Alternate the hand now. Again, while inhaling, lift the body up, see the sky, do 10 times Kapalabhati. Purna Bhujangasana. Relax. Do Salabhasana. Hold both the palm below the thighs. Lift right leg up to 30 degrees. Fully stretch. Ensure there should not be any bend at knee portion. Very good, very good. Slowly, slowly come down. Now lift left leg up to 30 degrees. Fully stretch it. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Very good. Salabhasana we did. Now we do fold your both the legs. Lift both the legs together. Come on, come on. Fully stretch. Salabhasana, third stage. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Relax. The next asana we do. Come on, let us do Dhanurasana. Fold your both the legs. Hold below the ankles with respective hands. And try to pull the legs as well as body up. Keep balance on stomach. Do 15 times Kapalabhati. Dhanurasana. Relax. Now take a turn back. Let us do Pavan Muktasana. Fold your right leg. Interlock the hand fingers and hold below the knee. Press towards chest. Try to touch the knee with nose if possible. Suppose you are having any neck pain or cervical pain, back pain, don't lift the neck. Good. Relax. Now with the other leg, fold your left leg, hold it below the knee, press it towards chest and touch the knee with nose and do 10 times Kapalabhati. Good. Now fold both the legs together. Hold them by interlocking the hand fingers or hands. Press towards chest. Lift the neck and try to put the nose between the knees. And do 10 times Kapalabhati. Pavan Mukta Asan. Relax. After Pavan Muktasan, we do Markatasana. Come on. Stretch both the hands parallel to the shoulders. Then fold both the legs, bring nearer to the waist. Touch both the foot. Turn neck right side, legs left side. Try to keep your right knee on the left knee. Right foot on left foot. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Turn the neck left side and legs right side. Good, good, good. Relax. Stretch both the legs. Fold both the legs again. Keep a distance between both the foot, at least 1 feet. And turn the neck right side, legs left side. In this pose, second stage of Markatasana. In this pose, your right knee will be placed on left foot. Good, good. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Relax. Now opposite side, do the same. Turn the neck left side, legs right side. In this pose, your left knee will be placed on right foot. Entire legs are to be touched the ground. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Very good, very good, very good. Come to normal pose, relax. Stretch both the legs. Now, lift your right leg up to 90 degrees. And try to put it on your left palm. Or hold it, the toes, with left hand fingers. Good. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Good. Now do the same opposite side. Lift left leg up to 90 degrees and put it on your right palm. Turn the neck left side. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Very good, very good, very good. Now third asana. Keep both the hands adjacent to the waist and lift your right leg up to 30 degrees. Fully stretch it. Keep the foot downwards. Do 10 times Kapalabhati. Relax. Now lift left leg up to 30 degrees. Fully stretch it. Ensure there should not be any bend at knee portion. And do 10 times Kapalabhati. Uttanapadasana. This is very good for thigh muscles as well as stomach muscles. Good. Now lift both the legs together. Join both the legs and lift up to 30 degrees. ఇప్పుడు పడుతుంది జోరు తొడల మీద కడుపు కండరాల మీద. Come on, join together. Do 20 times Kapalabhati. Slowly come down. Very good, very good. Relax. Now fold both the legs. Keep a distance between both the foot at least 8 to 9 inches. Hold the ankles with respective hands. Try to lift the thighs, stomach and chest up as much as you can. Very good, very good. Kandharasana, bridge pose. Very good exercise for spinal. Do Kapalbhati 20 times at least. Slowly, slowly come down. Spread the legs, hands. Relax. Come to relaxing mode. Yoga Nidrasana or Savasana. Simply forget each and everything. Keep the body very loose, cool, calm. Slightly turn the neck either right side or left side, slightly. Pay your attention towards that respiratory system which is on. You can imagine that cool air, divine power, Prana Shakti entering into your body through both the nostrils, traveling through throat, reaching lungs, lungs to heart, heart to each and every part of your body, every corner of your body. Every cell is being filled with that divine power. And toxins are going out through your both the palm as well as bottom foot. You can imagine that hot air going out through both the palm as well as bottom foot. Again, repeat the same. Cool air passing through both the nostrils, throat, reaching lungs, lungs to heart, heart to each and every part of your body. Hot air is going out through both the palm as well as bottom foot. Very good, very good, very good. Tighten the hand fingers as well as leg fingers. Release, tighten, release, tighten, release. Lift right leg, hit the ground with heel. Similarly with left leg. Then lift both the hands up and put them down. Hit the ground. Lift the body up, put it down. 2-3 times. Good. Fold your right leg. Then right hand keep on stomach. Left hand fold towards shoulder. Turn left side. With the help of left and right hands, sit straight. Close the eyes itself. Be in the same pose. Turn this side. Sit straight, keep spinal straight, neck straight. Very good, very good, very good. Pay your attention towards that respiratory system 3 times. Observe them with inner soul. Let us conclude the session here itself by chanting Shanti Path. Om Dyav Shanti, Antariksham Shanti, Prudhvi Shanti, Apah Shanti, Aushadaya Shanti, Vanaspataya Shanti, Vishve Devaha Shanti, Brahma Shanti, Sarvam Shanti, Shanti Deva Shanti, Sama Shanti Redhi, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take both the hands up, rub each together, create heat. With that heat, polish your eyes gently. Slowly, slowly open your eyes in your palm itself. Har Har Mahadeva Shambho Shankara. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Swasti.